Well, here we are about the 5th of December 2023, and I got carburetor problems again. So I think that's crap in the mid-range jets, and I've never had this backfiring problem before like this. This really sucks. So I'm going to check all the tubes and make sure something hasn't come loose. But if I can't find anything there, I think I'm going to have to pull the carburetors off and take them apart, clean them, and check the jets and set the float levels, put it back together. All you have to do is just give it a slight crack of the throttle. That's just about a tiny bit of throttle opening. And that's where it likes to do it.